Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about a purchase model with instantaneous replenishment and without shortage. In this model, order of equal size are placed at periodical intervals. The items against order are replenishment instantaneously and the items are consumed at a constant rate. The purchase price per unit is the same, irrespective of order size. Let us consider some variables for certain items. Here, D denotes the demand of units. C naught denotes ordering cost per order. CC denotes the carrying cost per unit per year. P denotes purchase cost per unit. Q denotes the order size or EOQ. The corresponding purchase model can be represented as shown below. Here, let time on x-axis and units on y-axis. The graph represented like this. To find inventory cost per year, we have some formulate. Those are the number of order per year equal to D by Q. Average inventory equal to Q by 2. Cost of ordering per year equal to D by Q into C naught. Cost of carrying per year equal to Q by 2 into CC. Purchase cost per year equal to D into P. Therefore, total inventory cost per year will get by adding cost of ordering, cost of carrying plus cost of purchase cost. That is TC is equal to D by Q into C naught plus Q by 2 into CC plus D into P. This is equation 1. Let it be equation 1. To find the formula of optimal order size. For that, do the differentiations equation 1 with respect to Q and equation to 0. Equating to 0. That is d by dq into Tc equal to d by dq into d by q into C naught plus d by dq into q by 2 into Cc plus d by dq into d into p equal to 0. So see here, by differentiating 1 by q into d into C naught, we get minus d by q square into C naught plus by differentiating q by 2 into C naught, we get 1 by 2 CC plus by differentiating d into p, we get 0. That is minus d by q square into C naught plus 1 by 2 Cc plus 0 equal to 0. Then minus d by q square into C naught equal to minus 1 by 2 into Cc. By cancellation minus on both sides and doing a cross multiplication, we get 2d C naught is equal to q square Cc. Next, q square is equal to 2DC naught by Cc. By taking a square root on both sides, we get Q is equal to root 2D C naught by Cc. Let us go to the problem on this model. See here. RAM industry need 5,400 units per year of a bought out component which will be used in its main product. The ordering cost is 250 rupees per order and the carrying cost per unit per year is 30 rupees. Find EOQ and number of order per year and the time between a successive order. Let's see the solution here. Given that demand D is equal to 5,400 units per year. Ordering cost C naught is equal to 2,050 rupees per order. Carrying ordering cost C naught is equal to 2,000. Ordering cost C is equal to C naught is equal to 250 rupees per order. Carrying cost CC is equal to 30 rupees per unit per year. The formula for optimal size EOQ is Q is equal to root 2D C naught by Cc. By subtracting the values, by substituting the values of D, C naught and Cc, we get Q is equal to root 2 into 5,400 into 250 by 30. By doing a calculation, we get 300 units. Coming to the next one, the number of order per year is equal to D by Q. By substituting the values of D and Q, we get 5,500 by 300. 5,400 by 300. By doing a calculation, we get 18. Coming to last one, that is the time between a successive order is Q by D. By substituting the values Q and D, we get 300 by 5,400. By doing the calculation, we get 1 by 18. That is 0.056 years. But the time will be in days. So 1 year is equal to 365 days. No. So the time will be 0.056 into 365 days. That is approximately 25 days. Approximately 20 days. So for the successive order, the time will be 20 days. Hope you all understand this concept. Thank you.